Next one is for the soil types. Types of the soil, alluvial soil, characteristics, the characteristics, distribution, crops. First one is alluvial soil. First one is alluvial soil. Alluvial soils divided into two types. One is the Khadar, another one is the Bangar. The Khadar means new alluvial soil. Bangar means old alluvial soils. Two types, Khadar and Bangars. First one is Khadar is a light color. Light color, more siliceous. More the siliceous, the silica, more siliceous. Second one is Bangar means what the characteristics. First one is Khadar. Khadar is the light color, more siliceous. The Bangar means old alluviums of lime noodles, and the lime noodles and then clay compositions in dark colors. Dark color are Bangars. The formations. The alluvial soil mainly the formations of the sedimentary deposited by the streams and the river. Mainly for the sediment deposited by the streams river, which is slowly loses. Next one is the chemical properties. The alluvial soil, composed by lot of chemical properties. One is the mainly for rich in the potash, phosphoric acid, lime, and carbon component, but the poor in nitrogens. Rich in potash, poor in nitrogens. Nature. Next category is the nature. Sandy loam and silt clay. Sandy loam and silt clay. The distributions of the alluvial soils. The mainly Ganga regions, Brahmaputra regions, the found in the alluvial soils. River Ganga and Brahmaputra river valleys. And then Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Bihar, and river mouth of the east coast. East river is found in this east coast. The alluvial soil grow in the major crops. One is rice, wheat, sugarcane, oil seeds. So, paddy growing in the alluvial soil. Paddy mainly growing in these alluvial soils. Next soil is the black soil. Next category is the black soil. Next, black soil. So, alluvial soil mainly for the river land side. The black soils are found in the Deccan Plateaus, Maharashtra, so these areas. The black soils are only for the characteristics, the formation, and derived from the basalt of the Deccan trap. Basalt of the Deccan trap. Colors, the black soils are colored in the black color. So, due to the presence of the titanium ion, black color, the presence of the titanium and iron, chemical properties for the black soil are found in these calcium and magnesium carbonates. Calcium, magnesium carbonate, high quantities of iron. High quantities of the iron found in the black soils and aluminium, lime and magnesia. manganese. So rich in potash like aluminium, calcium, magnesium, but is a rich in aluminium, calcium, potassium, magnesium, poor in the nitrogen. Poor in the nitrogen, phosphoric acid, and the humus. The humus means the humus. And nature, the strictly when the wet, high degree of the moisture, retentivity. So retentivity is the found in the distributions of the black soil mainly for the Maharashtra, Malwa Plateaus, Kathiawar, Peninsulas, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, northern part of the Karnataka. So these areas are found in these regions. Use this map here. The found in the black soil, Maharashtra, the Deccan Plateaus, and some Telangana areas also like that. The black soil mainly cultivations for the cotton, alluvial soil, paddy, black soil growing the cotton, millet, tobacco, and sugarcane. These are growing in the black soil. Next soil, red soil. The characteristics of these formations. The red soils are the decompositions of the ancient crystalline rocks. Ancient crystalline rocks like the granites. Like that, mainly for the different types of the granites, crystalline rocks, and the chemical properties. The chemical properties for the rich in the minerals. Chemical properties rich in the minerals for like that for this iron and magnesium. So red soil is high in this iron and magnesium, are the deficient in nitrogens. The deficiency in nitrogens, the humus, phosphoric acid and limestones. The rich in the iron and magnesium and deficient or decreases of less than this, the nitrogens, humus, phosphoric acid and limes. Nature, the light structure, the porous now water, the porous content, the limited soluble salt and clay fractions of the red soil generally consist of the organic minerals. These are the found in these areas. The distributions of these red soils, the eastern part of the Deccan Plateaus, southern state of the Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Chotanagpur Plateaus. So these areas are mainly found in this red soil. One part the eastern part of Deccan Plateaus, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and the Chotanagpur Plateaus regions. Some Chotanagpur Plateaus regions, the red soil growing in wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, pulses. So these are found in these regions. Growing these regions. Next topic, laterite soil. So the laterite soil mainly found in the mountain areas, the hilly areas. Here the formations, laterite soil, the characteristics of the formations, the alternate wet and hot, dry conditions provide. So the formed by the regions, laterite soils formed by the regions known as alternate wet and hot dry conditions provides the chemical properties. the laterite soils, the chemical properties composed mainly for the hydrated oxide of the iron and aluminium, and the nature, the light structure. So the more acidic on higher areas, over in the high levels. Nature, more acidic on higher areas over in high levels, and cannot retain the moisture when the plants they touch the heavy loads of the clay easily of the retain moisture. These mainly furnish the characteristics of formation and chemical properties. The nature is the more acidic of the higher areas over in the high levels, cannot retain of the moisture. The distributions of the laterite soils found in the Assam hills, the hills segment of the Kerala and Karnataka, Assam Valley, Kerala and Karnataka. So the laterite soils are found, and in the eastern part of Eastern Ghats and the regions of the Odisha. Assam hills of the Kerala, Karnataka, and the eastern part, Eastern Ghats and Odisha. So laterite soil growing in coffee, rubber, and the cashmere. So these are the growing in the laterite soil, mainly for the coffee. So alluvial soil growing for the paddy, black soil growing in cotton, red soils, wheat, sugar canes like that, red soils, rice, wheat, cotton, sugar cane like that. But the laterite soils only found in the hilly areas, the growing in this rubber and coffee. Next topic, forest and mountain soil. The forest and mountain soil. This soil is different from the region to region depending on climate. So forest soil or mountain soils, this soil is the region to region is different depending upon the climate. Formations due to the mechanical weatherings. The formations of the mechanical weathering caused by the snow, rainfall, temperatures variations. So mainly due to the mechanical weathering caused by the snow, rainfall, temperatures like that. And chemical properties are the deficient of the potash. Deficient means the low levels. So come here in potash, phosphorus and the lime. Next one is categories for the nature: light, sandy, thin, and the found with these spices of the rock. These are character changes with the parent rock. The changes in the parent rock. Very rich in the humus is a mountain size. So the Makkum milagres, the animals like that. So is the very rich in the humus. Slow decompositions making the acidic. The distributions of these mountain soil or forest and mountain soil. The coniferous forest built in Jammu and Kashmir, the found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Eastern and Western Ghats. The mountain forests are found in this Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The mountain forests growing the tea, coffee, rice, maize, barley, The tropical fruits and spices also found in these regions. Next one is for the arid or desert soil. Next topic, arid or the desert soil. So desert soil are found in these Rajasthan regions, Gujarat and the Punjab side, the southern part of the Punjab. The formations. The desert soil formed in the dry climate. Desert soil with dry climate, high temperatures. We are found in these high temperatures and the evaporation, high evaporations, the accelerated evaporations, the soil is dry. Next one is for this, the evaporations of the dry soils. The soil is dry and also the lack of humus content due to the absence of the vegetations or forest. Mainly for the formations, dry climate, high temperatures, accelerated the evaporations, dry soils, the lack of humus content, and the absence of the vegetations. Next one is for the chemical properties. The mainly for the chemical properties contain high percentage of the soluble salt, and alkaline with the varying degrees of the calcium carbonate and poor in the organic matter. The soluble salt, alkaline with the varying degrees of the calcium and carbonate found in the desert soil. The poor in a organic matter. Next one is the nature. The light in color. The desert soil or arid soils found in the light in the colors. Low humus and low moisture. The arid soils or desert soils are also found in these Rajasthan regions and North Gujarat and southern of Punjab. The desert soils are growing for the millets, barley, cotton, maize, pulses with the irrigation facilities. Thank you. Next topic, saline and alkaline soils. The characteristics of the saline and alkaline soils. First one is the formations. The formed due to the ill drainage which causes of water lacking. So mainly for the formed due to the ill drainage which causes water for lacking, the injuries, the salt and the transform. The transform of the saline and alkaline soils also is the chemical and properties, mainly for the chemical and properties. Liberate the sodium and magnesium and calcium salt. The liberate. So the liberate of the sodium, magnesium, calcium salt and acid, and also the acid. Next one is nature. The consist of the excess of the sodium salt and the minerals. Excess of the sodiums and the minerals. The fount of this saline and alkaline soils are found in this Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. So these areas are also found in the saline and alkaline soils. The crops do not grow. So saline and alkaline soils, the crops do not grow because of the excess of the sterilizations of the soils. So mainly for the cannot grow in these soils, cannot grow in the crops in these soils. Next topic, peaty and marshy soils. So saline soils cannot grow the crops and they mainly found in the Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, the part of the Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. So these areas also found in this saline and alkaline forests. The means of this saline means is a உப்பு மற்றும் காரத்தன்மை கார மண் salines and alkaline soils. Next one is peaty and marshy soils. The peaty and marshy soils also found in the Sundarban regions, the West Bengals. The formation, the found in the humid regions, in the saline and peaty and marshy soils found in the humid regions. For the organic matter, it is found in the areas of heavy rainfalls and high humidity. Peaty soils also lack heavy and they are highly acidic chemical properties. Next one is the chemical properties. So the peaty and marshy soils are formed by the humid regions, from the organic matters. It is found in these areas of heavy rainfalls. The marshy soils are found in the heavy rainfall regions, high humidity, and peaty soils also. Here also black, heavy and highly acidic found in these soils. Next one is chemical properties. The deficient, that is means here less or low levels of the potash and phosphate. Low levels found in these peaty and marshy soils. Next one is the nature. So nature, it contains the considerable amount of soluble salt. So the soluble salt are that 10 to 40% of the organic matters. The high properties of the vegetables matter. These peaty and marshy soils are Sundarban areas, mainly for Kottayam and Alappuzha district, found in Kerala. The marshy soils found in the coastal regions of the Odisha and Tamil Nadu, Sundarbans in West Bengal, Bihar, and some part of the Almora district of Uttarakhand. The marshy soils are growing in paddy and jute. So in this topic, 8 types of the soils: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, and the fourth one is laterite soil, forest and mountain soils, and arid and desert soils, saline and alkaline soils, peaty and marshy soils. So mainly the alluvial soil growing in paddy, black soils growing in cotton, laterite soil growing in coffee, and then the red soil is also found in wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, like that. And forest soils, forest or mountain soil, these soils also grow in tea, coffee, maize, like that. Tropical fruits also found. And then these arid and desert soils are found in the areas of Rajasthan. The mainly for dry crops are growing in these soils, millets. Saline and alkaline soils cannot grow in many crops, and peaty and marshy soils is the paddy and jute also grow in these regions. Next topic, soil degradations. Soil degradation is an acute problems in India. The major problems of India, according to a 2015 report, the IIRS in 2015 report, IIRS, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, the estimate of the amount of soil erosions that occurred in India was 147 million hectares. In 2015 report, IIRS, the soil degradations occurred in 140 million hectares. The major problems of the soil erosions of Indian soils are: one is the soil erosions, second one is degradations of the soils, third one is water locking, saline and alkaline soils, காரத்தன்மை and அமிலத்தன்மை, salt clay, and the types of the soils are different erosions, and the method of conservation and the management of the soils. First one is afforestation, second one is construction of the dams, prevention of the water grazing, improve the method of agricultural practice, for like that, for the contour method, rotations of crops, contour bounding, trips cropping, planting of the shelter belt. So this method also the control by this the soil erosions. Thank you.